Please, I beg you. Mom, no. Mom, no. No, please.
See what I found.
What is that? Where did you get this album from?
Man, you won't believe it. My mother's photo.
Really?
Baby, wait first.
Okay.
Before you open it, you're going to promise me that you will not laugh. Are you sure? I know you. I know you. All right. Okay, go ahead. Open it. You see how fresh I looked during my teenage days.
Who is this?
No, wait. Hold on first, wait. No, what are you insinuating now? What are you trying to say?
Not saying anything. I just asked if you're the person.
Are you mocking me or something?
No. You look so skinny here. As if you have not eaten for a long time.
So you're mocking me?
I'm telling you, if this is how you react, I wouldn't have accepted to marry you.
If you had met me when I was like this, I know you would have still married me. I know you. Are you okay? Baby. Let go! Babe, let go, babe.
Come back here!
Where is your mother's drug? I asked you to keep.
Has she started again?
Yes, she have. Please, just hurry up. Get them for me.
How do you want to give the drugs to her in this condition? She won't take it.
What is this? Huh? What is this? I should have thought about this earlier. These drugs are no longer effective. What do I do now?
I know a way to solve this problem.
You do?
Come with me.
I will terminate them.
I love you, mommy, my dear sweet mommy. You make me happy when I am sad. I want to tell you how much I love you. When I'm with my mom, I'm so glad.
It happened again, right?
Babe, you're fine now. Okay? Hey, please stop crying. You see, this is why I always tell you to take your drugs. Stick to your medications.
Can I have my drugs?
Of course. Mandy, quickly go get your Monday drug. Go on. Get water too. It's okay. Try to always take your drugs. You never need it. Always take your drugs. Okay?
It makes me feel weak.
I know.
Thank you.
Go right. Don't worry.
Sorry.
It's okay, baby. You don't need to be sorry. Okay?
Don't mother.
You don't have to be sorry. It wasn't intentional, you understand? Okay? You just need to rest. Okay? Come on, baby. Just rest yourself.
Did I scare you?
No, you didn't. How are you feeling?
Fine, I guess. When I heard your voice in the dark, though I don't know what was happening, but your voice brought me out. When I heard you sing that song, something pulled me out of the dark. How did you do it?
I just felt it would work. You told me when I was a toddler that I cried really loud, disturbing you and Dad. Then you sang me this song and I stopped crying. Then I thought I could sing it to you and it worked.
I love you, my child.
I love you too.
I swear by the gods, I will never do anything to hurt you. Come here. Okay, eat your food.
Doctor, honestly, the drugs are no longer working on my wife. As I speak with you right now, this minute she'll be normal. The next minute, if the thing come on her, two of us cannot even hold her. I don't know what to do. Can't we just get her a permanent cure? I'm losing her.
Well, that is a case of dissociative identity disorder, more like dual personalities. And such thing cannot be treated by just anyone. She needs a specialist.
Doctor, I don't understand. Are you by any means trying to suggest that my wife is having a double personality? Like, I've known her for the past 12 to 15 years. This has never happened before. Why now?
Well, Mr. Francis, this case mostly occurred during early childhood.
Okay. So what do you do? Is there
It's not within my capacity. Like, it's not within my medical specialties to handle this case. I think I have to recommend a clinical psychologist for this case.
whatever? Doctor, you see, I am ready. No matter what it will cost, I'm ready to pay. I just want my wife. I'm losing her. When do we start? When? How? Where?
Well, Mr. Francis, I will get a message across to you.
Okay. Doc, anything you're doing, please, let it be fast. I'm
The clinical psychologist will be in the best position to attend to this matter. Okay? I will take my leave.
It's alright, doctor. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. What is wrong with you?
Everything is wrong. Everything. What did Dr. Ben say about my illness? Is there a hope? Is there a cure? I thought as much. No answers. I think I know what to do. I have to go far away from here. Far away from you and my daughter because I don't want to hurt you people.
No way. Look, babe. You see, at this point, you really need to drop it. You need to go far away to where? This is your home.
Anywhere. Anyway, because me staying here is risky. And I cannot live with the pains knowing that I hurt my own husband and my own child.
Look, honey.
No.
Look, listen to me.
No.
Let me tell you something. You see, this is our fight. Alright? It's our fight. We're going to fight it together. I'm not going to leave you like this or you running away to where? This is your home. Nothing is going to happen to you. You know what? Look, I am ready to fight with you till we get a permanent cure to your problem. Okay? Look, come here. You are not going anywhere. We must find this solution once and for all and together. I'm not letting you go anywhere. Okay? God can actually do something. You never can tell. Just calm yourself down, okay? Take it easy on yourself. Look, I know you are upset with your mom. But I want you to know that She's never intentionally doing what she's doing. Look, Mom is sick. And she needs our help. Come. Mommy doesn't hate you. You know she wouldn't want to hurt you for any reason because she loves you so much. Mommy has gone through a lot. In fact, she's still going through a lot. So all we need to do for her now is to stand for her and give her all the necessary assistance that we can. Do not hate her because she doesn't hate you. Okay? And promise me you won't continue being angry for Mom. You sure? I wouldn't want anybody outside, or no matter who, to know what is going on. You should remain in our house. Do you promise? Blink this way.
It is done. It is done.
Honey, please wake up, wake up. What did I do? What did I do? No. What did I do? Wake up! Wake up, please. Oh my God, I'm finished. What did I do? No.
How can you be this wicked? You took someone's life, and here you are living, but you...
Madam, please, tell us exactly what happened.
I was in the bathroom. And when I came out, I saw my husband in the pool of his own blood with his knife beside him.
So, madam, are you telling me for a fact that you did not by any means hear any form of noise or struggling either with somebody or by himself that night while you are in the bathroom?
Didn't. I don't know.
If I may ask, did you engage in a fight with your husband that night?
No. I don't fight with my husband. My husband loves me so much and I love him too. We don't fight. As a matter of fact, we don't even raise voices at ourselves. I just came out and saw him. Someone killed my husband. Someone killed my lovely husband.
Well, I see. I understand. I can see that you are still in shock. We are very sorry for your loss. That notwithstanding, what about your daughter? Where is she?
Mandy. She's in her room.
Okay, we may need to ask her a few questions. Maybe she saw something or knows something that particular night.
How are you?
Will I see my dad ever again?
Come with me downstairs. We have some questions for you. Come, don't worry.
It's hard to say goodbye. Feel me. Please don't leave me empty. I'm falling in an ocean of my own tears. My own tears. Whoa, whoa. You took my breath away.
Little girl. Fine girl, come. Come. Come, okay? Beautiful girl. Come. How are you? You're Mandy, right? Oh, that's good. I know you must be very devastated right now over what happened. We are deeply sorry about that. But then, we assure you, we must find out who did this to your dad. Okay? Just relax. Whatever you tell us now will help us to get justice for your father. Okay? Let me ask you. Did you see anyone that night? Anybody around this house that's hurt your dad with this knife? Talk to me. You see, I'm here to help you, okay? Myself and my colleague, we are here to help you. Just tell us. Anything you tell us, we will use it to get justice for your father. Did you see anybody?
Yes, I know who did it.
Okay, that's good. Then, who was that?
Madam, please allow her to speak.
Okay. Mandy, talk to me. Who was that?
A man. A masked man. He fled into the compound. And they hurt my dad with his knife.
Okay. Did you see him stealing anything from this house or taking away any valuables in this house?
That means this wasn't a robbery case. It is pure assassination.
You're correct. Madi, thank you for your answers. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay? You can go to your room now. We will run a biometric test on this knife. Maybe that will help us find the murderer. Madam, we will let you know as soon as the result comes out. Paraventure, anything pops up that could help us in this investigation, please do not hesitate to let us know.
Okay. Thank you.
Officer.
Sir.
Get the exhibits. Let's go.
It's hard to say goodbye. Feel me. Please don't leave me empty. I'm falling in an ocean of my own tears. My own tears. Whoa, whoa. You took my breath away. Now you ask me to breathe. How am I supposed to breathe without you by my side? 'Cause you are the way that I breathe in. Yes, you are the way. Cannot breathe without you by my side, baby. 'Cause you are the way, the way that I breathe in. Oh yes, it's hard to say goodbye without you by my side. I cannot breathe, 'cause you are the way. I cannot breathe, the way that I breathe in. Yes, you are the way. Cannot breathe without you by my side, baby. 'Cause you are the way, maybe the way that I breathe in. Oh yes.
Mzuwa. Olu omume a na-aga agwa nwatakịrị ife ọjọbụ ụzọ gịnị ka ọ ya eme? Onye tọrọ ịnụ ụwa atụgbughị. Onye bido ụzọ sibe ite ka esi na ọ na-esi mkpu ite. Mmụọ na-enye onwe abịa m. Okay. Hey. Nye unu mmanya ọtụtụ. Arobue. Okay, Ade. Ikengochi. Ekenenge. Yeah. Agabidu. Yeah. Boji. Iboji. Akwụkwọ mgbalanga, akwụkwọ mgbado, ọ na-akọ akwụkwọ mgbado ochi n'onu, ọ dịka ọ ya emerụ, ọ ya eme ya. Eyi, arọbụ dike, kpọnụ mbuzu, nzuzu, kpọọ gị mbuzu, nzuzu. Ọ ka ọ ya eme, ome ka ọ ga-adị. Isele ewele, ewelu enu. Eyi, arọ. Yes, I like the situation. I like the situation of things now. I am now a happy man. Francis, I told you I would drink on your head. Small boy, not actually the guy, took what belonged to me. We took what belonged to me. You must pay for it. You must pay for it. Arodike na-abịa mkpụrụkọ na-eme egwu n'onu, megwu na-abịa na-egwu egwuro, ege egwu na-ede egwu arọ. Azụbụ, ekwele mmụọ, ijele, ekene m unu. Okuku mbo, okuku dene, ekene nge, mmụọ na-eme eme ife, ajụ nga ajụ, nwatakịrị, ọsụ ọnụ mmụọ, ọkpụkpụ ijeke, ekene nge. Yes. Now that you are no more, Francis, my bed belongs to me now. She now belongs to me. Hey, arrow! Yeah, Mone Jemife. Okay.
We're running away from me.
No, I wasn't.
You know you don't have to lie, right? Why did you lie to the police?
I had to. I don't want to lose you just the way I lost Dad. I don't want to be separated from my only family.
You have to go away from me because it's dangerous.
No. Then where will I go to? I don't want to lose you. I want you to always be by my side.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. I'm helpless.
It's not your fault. Stop crying.
It's all my fault. It is all my fault. I caused it all. Caused you pain, caused you sorrow.
Ezumezu keke dị igwe n'eke ezumezu eyi. Ezumezu ụmụ na-etujo na ezumezu. Oge anyị ji akpọ okwu mmụọ nwezu n'abalị akene mmụọ. Abalị dị egwu, ogidi imelu eyi. Ogidi imelu asụ mmụọ na-eme n'egwu ezumezu eyi. Ezumezu nwe m na bekene ezumezu eyi. Ogosi na abalị dị egwu na ife mee n'abalị na mmụọ na-eji abalị akpa nri. Hey! Eze! Uwe kwezi n'ike gbakene arọbe jenu na enume egwu eyi. Okwunumu na na-akpọkwu ndị na-achọ m okwu, ndị si na ma ga-ebi ha ga-ebikwa n'udo. Onye si na onye bụ na mmụọ na-echi echi jebe afịa n'afịa suri ejibi ileke. Ozube enu na ebe ege na-enwe akwụkwọ nwe ekwe ebi na ebe kene. Onye eke ozu mgbe obu ezi ekwu, onye eke ozu nwe eke mmụọ. The night is deep. The hour has come. When it is night, gods go feeding. Arụsị. Eye, welie. Bam! Gịnị ka ọ na-eme? Esukwe. Ewe, welie. Hey! Esukwe. Lokadi ọzọ. Esukwe. Wezuenya. Esukwe. Mmụọ ka ị bụ. Ịsalụ ekwe ezumezu. Ozue ka ọ na-eme. Abalị ejie. Hey! Gwa m ya gwa.
Where are you going? I told you to stop. Hey, you have to stop there. I am not playing with you. Stop! No, stop there. Stop. No, stop there. Stop there! Stop it. I will end you the way I end your miserable father.
I love you, mommy. My dear sweet mommy. You make me happy. When I am sad, I want to tell you how much I love you. When I'm with my mom, I'm so glad.
No, not again. No, give me that.
Save my soul, heal my heart, take me with you. It's hard to say goodbye. Feel me, please don't leave me empty. I'm falling in an ocean of my own tears, my own tears. Whoa, whoa. You took my breath away. Now you ask me to breathe. How am I supposed to breathe without you by my side? 'Cause you are the way that I breathe in. Yes, you are the way. Can I breathe without you by my side? Baby, 'cause you are the way. Maybe the way that I breathe in. Oh yes, it's hard to say goodbye without you by my side. I cannot breathe, 'cause you are the way. I cannot breathe the way that I breathe in. Yes, you are the way. Can I breathe without you by my side? Baby, 'cause you are the way. Maybe the way that I breathe in. Oh yes, it's hard to say goodbye.
Mandy, how are you?
I'm fine, ma.
You got me worried. What happened to you?
I'm fine, ma.
You are feeling pains in your arms also?
Yes.
Who did this to you?
I
Who?
fell down
You fell down. Where?
from the circus.
You mean you fell down? Is your mommy aware of this?
Yes, she is.
I think I have to call your mom.
No, it's fine.
You can't tell me no. I need to have one-on-one talk with her. All these structures are not to be overlooked. Anyway, let's go. You're already late for the assembly.
Good afternoon. I wasn't expecting you.
I know. I hope you're good.
I'm fine.
Actually, I was drawn by curiosity when I saw Mandy with bruises on her face and some wounds on her body. Although I asked her and she said she fell down from the staircase, I decided to accompany her. To be sure you are much aware of this. You know children, sometimes they can decide to hide their wounds to avoid extra punishments. So please, I would like you to look after her and take proper care of it.
You didn't tell me you have wounds. Huh?
I'm sorry. I just didn't want to bother you. It's not bad though.
I said it. Mandy, so you didn't tell your mommy about it. It's not good now. That is not a good behavior. Please, next time, if you have any injury, no matter how little it is, make sure you report to your mom, okay?
Thank you very much.
It's all right,
I appreciate your kind gesture.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Once again, my condolences to your family.
Thank you.
I have to be on my way now.
Okay. Bye.
Take care of her. Mandy,
Okay.
bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Who is that?
Open this door right now.
Mom, no. Please go away.
I said open the door or I will break it.
No, please go away.
Baby girl, it's me. I won't hurt you. I am fine now. just open the door, please? I said open the door! Open it!
What is it? Babe.
I will kill you all.
Babe, let go.
I will terminate both of you.
Babe. Babe. Can you stop?
I will terminate both of you.
Babe. Come on. What are you doing with this?
What happened?
You almost hit me with this.
No, I didn't touch the pistol. I didn't want to hit you.
It's okay, it's okay. Just come.
What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? I didn't want to hurt you. Why would I want to hit you?
Look, I understand, okay? I understand, but
I didn't bring that. I didn't.
it's okay.
Did I hurt you?
No, you did not.
What is wrong with me?
You don't need to be like this now, alright?
I didn't try to hurt you, right?
It's okay. It's okay. Alright?
I didn't bring this.
I know. You know what? I will take it back to the kitchen, okay? Alright?
My child.
Save my soul, heal my heart, take me with you. It's hard to say goodbye. Feel me, please don't leave me empty. I'm falling.
Dad, why does Mom want to kill us? Why does she threaten us? Why is she chasing us with weapons?
Look, your mom doesn't want to kill us. Okay? She's not a murderer, she's not a killer. She doesn't want to kill us. That is not who she is. Alright?
So, what did you do to her to deserve all this?
My love, look. Mommy is not feeling too well. Something is definitely wrong with her that I'm trying to find out. At this point, all we just need to do is give her all the support. Try to avoid some things that she do, overlook it, while I dig deeper into finding out a permanent solution to her. Okay, standing by her by this time should be a priority. Do you understand?
Okay.
She's not going to harm us, right? Baby, did you hear me?
Maybe the way that I breathe in. Oh yes, it's hard to say goodbye.
I don't know what is wrong with me. They haven't seen anything yet. I overheard your discussion with Dr. Ben. It's of no use taking those drugs. They are useless.
No, babe. They are not entirely useless. This is a depressant drugs. You need to be taking them. It will help you, calm you down, and also make you sleep.
I don't need sleeping pills. I need something to calm my head. I am not taking those drugs again.
It's okay, darling. Okay, Mandy, take the drugs back to your room, okay? Go keep it in your room. Baby, it's okay. You don't need to be doing this to yourself. You just need to calm down, alright? There must be a way out. Trust me. Okay? Okay. It's okay.
Save my soul, heal my heart, take me with you. It's hard to say goodbye. Feel me, please don't leave me empty. I'm falling in an ocean of my own tears, my own tears. Whoa, whoa. You took my breath away. Now you ask me to breathe.
My daughter, you know I will never think of hurting you. You know my real me can never see you cry or shed tears. You know how much I love you. I am so ashamed of myself. I am tired. I am ashamed of what I'm doing to my own daughter. Please, but I still want to be with you. I would have ended it all, but I can't allow you to live alone in this world. I want to take care of my baby girl. Please, will you forgive your mother? Will you find a place in your heart to forgive me?
I have forgiven you, Mom. I promise. I will always stand by your side.
This is so much relief. Come here, my girl.
It's hard to say goodbye.
Behold, the blood of an infant, the blood that has spilled the enrichment of great powers of the gods. With this blood, I shall finally end my worries. Azubenu kweke duke, Pologuna jodunu nabia nolonumu. Mwane wisa nolonumu. Akweke no na nolonumu. Abalo azu na nolonumu. Arwebe janulonu muwe. Obala nwese kenando. Obala nwese kenando. Obala nweke tenando.
Enye ngo ọbara wetara m ọbara. Enye ngo ọbara wetara m ọbara. Enye ngo ọbara wetara m ọbara.
Love you so much, my daughter. Thank you for forgiving me. God bless you for being so strong. You're such a strong girl.
Mom, what is it? Mom, where are you going? Are you going to your room? Mom? Are you going to your room? Are you tired? Mom, why are you walking slowly? Mom, talk to me. Maybe she's hungry. What are you doing with a weapon? Mom, just...
Stop. Don't go. Don't go away. I'm warning you, I say stop there. See, I have to hit you. I have to hit you. You have to wait for me to hit you. I said stop.
Mom, calm down. Mom!
Stop. Stop. Go back there. Come back here.
Mommy! I love you, Mommy, my dear sweet Mommy. You make me happy when times are great. I want to tell you how much I love you. When I'm with my mom, I'm so glad. I love you, Mommy, my dear sweet Mommy. You make me happy when I am sad.
No. Wake up. Sorry.
You took my breath away. Now you ask me to breathe. How am I supposed to breathe without you by my side? 'Cause you are the way that I breathe in. Yes, you are the
Mandy.
Can I breathe without you?
Mandy, please open the door. Please open the door. I want to hurt you. I am sorry. I don't know what came over me. Please, I'm sorry. Please. I have your food here. Can you come and take your food and eat? I don't know what is wrong with me. If you don't come, I'm going to stay here until you come and eat your food. My baby, please come and eat. I am sorry. I don't know what is happening to me. I am sorry. I cannot. can never hold my own child. I will never hold my own child. This is not me. This is not me. Mama, please. My love, please. My love, I beg you in the name of God. Come and answer your mother, please.
Wait. This is the third day now and Mandy has not been in school. I hope she's fine. I think I have to check up on her. Yes. Hello, Ma. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Ma, how are you and the family?
We are fine, and yours?
We are good, Ma. Sorry, Ma. I am calling to check up on Mandy. This is the third day now. We've not seen her in school. I hope she's fine.
That's so thoughtful of you. She's not feeling too well.
Oh.
She's still recovering, though.
Oh, very sorry. Hope she's taking her medications.
Yes, she is. She will be back on her feet in no time.
Amen. She will. And I will be praying for her. Please, take good care of her. Yeah? And let her know that I called.
I will let her know. Thank you so much for calling.
It's alright, Ma. Bye. Mandy, is well with you. You'll be fine.
Open, my darling. Hello. Nancy. My love. Open the door, mommy wants to talk to you. Mandy! Open the door! Open the door! Hello, sweetheart. Do you want some sweets? Hi! Hello, I got you something. Hello! Mandy! Mandy! Where is she? Mandy, come out! Where are you? I know you are here. Come, I just want to tell you something. Just one thing. Mandy, you can come out and we'll settle this in peace. I just want to have a discussion with you. I know you are here. I know you are somewhere. Mandy. Mandy. I got you. My dear, I was calling you. I was calling you. Why you didn't come for me? Come here. Okay? My axe is gone.
Daddy.
Just come, I'm not gonna hurt you.
No, Mommy. Wait. Mom, drop the knife. Just keep it on the table then. I will help you. Carry it to the kitchen. I will help you.
I just want to say something to you. Stop running away from me. What am I doing here? What happened again? Ah! Mandy! Mandy! What happened? Ah! Ah! What have I done? Not again! No! What should I do? What should I do? I need to call someone.
You took my breath away. Now you ask me to breathe. How am I supposed to breathe without you?
Hey, what I do? What will I do? Who is that? Okay, please, you have to help us. My daughter is dying. Break the door, I'm coming. I cannot open it because the people that did this to my child locked us inside and ran away. Please, you have to help us. Call someone to help you break the outside door. You have to come down. Break it up, please. Yes, yes. You have to help me. What did I say? Help me! Help me! Oh, that is the knife is!
Madam, she lost so much blood. But she's lucky the wounds are still fresh. But with time, she's going to recover. Currently, she's being administered blood transfusion.
Thank God. And thank you, doctor, for everything. I really appreciate.
But the question is, who were in their right senses hurt a kid like that?
Our robbers attacked them and did. Those people are heartless. And God will definitely punish them for their deed.
Amen.
Well, I pray those criminals will be apprehended. Let us continue to be positive and wait till she heals completely.
Thank you, doctor. Can we go back to the ward so that I'll be with her?
Sure you can.
Thank you very much.
Don't think too much, madam.
The way that I breathe in, yes, you are the way. Can I breathe without you by my side? Baby, cause you are the way. Maybe the way that I breathe in, oh yes. It's hard to say goodbye.
Doctor, thank you very much for taking care of my daughter. I appreciate.
You're most welcome, madam. But I pray those criminals that did this to Mandy will be apprehended.
Yes. Amen.
Mandy, you're a very strong girl. Very soon you're going to be better, okay? And about the bandages, we'll soon take it off.
Yes.
Okay, come, let's go home.
What is it, Mandy?
You don't want to go home with me?
Talk to me, Mandy. Is anything wrong? Talk.
I think it's because of the trauma of everything that happened. I think she's still in shock. But see, let me promise you one thing. I am going to take care of you and nothing is going to come close to you. Nothing will hurt you. I will take care of you.
Yes.
Okay?
And I will always be there for you. Okay?
Just come.
Please. Mandy. What is this? Look at all your body. Look at your leg. Another wound. What is going on? What is it? Something tells me you have something to say. Go ahead. I'm listening. Talk to me. Talk to me.
Ma. Yes. Who do you talk to in times of pain, problem, sorrow, when you lost hope? Who?
There is only one person I talk to when I have problems. And he answers me. He solves all problems for me.
Who is that person?
Our Lord Jesus Christ, the Son of God. He's my problem solver. He never disappoints me. He has always been there for me. Anytime I call to him, he answers me.
How? How do I talk to him?
Just wait for me. Mandy, take this. This is not just ordinary book. This is scripture. It contains a lot. Read it. Study it carefully. And listen to the voice of God. This is the only solution of your problems.
Thank you, Ma, but what about you? Don't you need it?
Don't worry. I have another one in the house. Please, my daughter, make sure you always read the scriptures.
Thank you, Ma.
The solution of your problems. They are here. So, okay?
Thank you, Ma. Lord, you said in your word, Matthew 7:7, ask and you shall be given, seek and you shall find. Lord, please, set my mother free from the things she's doing. Set her free from the evil they planted on her. Lord, please, make her stop the things she does. Set her free. All the knees shall bow down unto you. All the tongue shall confess that you are God. In the name of Jesus, I have prayed. Amen.
Ezumezu. Stop me! How dare you? You cannot! No! Mandy, you cannot. Nobody can stop me from taking over my property. That is my property. Nobody! You dare not stop me! Mbano! Girimelo! Anwada Kwalo! Oyakobo! Hey! Abazuzuke! Agola Modele Tiba! Aruyezumezu! Biawa Kwanu! Aro Girigirigiri! Hey! Wait! Ba! Abadi keja, you now want to get a dick more. Okumona Jordan, I can American there. I make case I watch you, I mean, I got a good mortgage. Brubuka Jabuko, and another idea. How could it get more? No good that one as a day came good. Who the crack to pose an amount to poker for? Or get it, me her. Get a connect cable. What did know you can't stand me? I cannot lose that property. I cannot, you dare not. No! Everything that belongs to Francis belongs to me. No! You can't! Hey! Bah!
Again.
Who are you? Are you looking for someone?
You invited me here, remember?
No, I didn't. I don't even know you.
Your body is a temple of the Holy Spirit. I am in you, just as you are in me.
Wait.
Your mother has not been completely set free. The evil still has her in his grip. In order for you to set her free completely, you must visit the root of it all.
Where did all this started? Who is behind all of this?
The man your father once called brother.
Save my soul, heal my heart, take me with you. It's hard to say goodbye. Feel me, please don't leave me empty. I'm falling in an ocean of my own tears, my own tears. Whoa, whoa. You took my breath away.
And where is your lunch box?
It's in the school bus.
And why are you not going to school?
Mom wants to ask you something.
What is it, honey?
I was mandated by God to go to our village. That's where all your problems are coming from.
I don't understand what you mean. What are you talking about?
Mom, please take me there. That is the only way all these things will end.
My love, I am not going there. It's a no, 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 no for me. I am not going to your dad's village because I don't want to, and it is not safe for you and I. Okay?
Mom, please.
I said no. I mean, when you're late for school, go. The driver is waiting for you. Go! Sean is taking you to your father's house. Do you even know who is there?
I breathe without you by my side, baby, 'cause you are the air, maybe the air that I breathe in. Oh yes, it's hard to say goodbye.
Ma, I don't know why my mom is acting strange. She doesn't even want me to go to my father's compound, and it's urgent.
Maybe her reason is that the place is not safe for you or something.
No, ma. It's my father I'm talking about here.
I know.
I need to go there. It's urgent. I had a revelation about it. And if I don't go, it will be a disobedience to God.
You didn't tell me it's all about revelation. Now, tell me, what did you see?
Sorry, ma, but I can't disclose it to you. Ma, you told me I should trust and believe in God. And I'm doing it, so why are you doubting me?
How certain are you that the revelation is from God?
Ma, I repeat. You said I should trust and believe in God. So why are you doubting me?
We just have to be very careful about the revelations we are getting.
Ma, please. Just convince my mom, so she can take me to my father's compound.
Mandy, I'm not going to promise you that for now.
Ma, please. It's urgent. Please.
Don't worry. We will always pray together. Don't worry. Okay?
Okay, ma.
You said she's coming.
She's coming.
That's fine.
She's here.
My dear, I am so sorry for keeping you waiting. I was doing some things inside.
It's okay. How are you faring?
So far, I'm good.
Thank God for that. Actually, I am here because of your daughter. There is something she told me, and since that is very important, I wish you to please listen to her and take that seriously.
What did she tell you, and what is this about?
She said something about a trip to your late husband's house.
Huh. Not again. I have told this girl that I cannot go to that village. Why are you so strong-headed? Is that why you go and report me to your teacher? I cannot go to that village because it is not safe for me and for her. There is a particular person there that I don't want to see with my eyes. You understand this, right?
I can understand, ma.
It's my uncle.
I didn't tell you about that. How did you know?
That's the more reason you should trust me. Take me there. It's serious.
Yes, I think it's serious. She told me something about her revelation.
Revelation?
Yes. Voice of God is something we cannot overlook. As flesh, we are obliged to listen to the voice of God. So please, I would like you to listen to her and do that.
I don't really want to go to that village. I don't want to. But that is by the way, please. What will I get for you?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
No, anything soft, mold, water.
Ikemo, Ikemo, I am looking for 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 my Ike. Ike, my Ike mo. Ike. They will try to pull you down. Don't you give them the chance. Don't you give them the chance. They will try to destroy you. Don't you give them the chance. Don't you give them. Better show them that you have. Ike Sinelu. You've got to show them that you have. Ike Sinelu. A supernatural power. She can never ever be corrupt. Oh, Ikemo, Ikemo, I am looking for 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 my Ike, Ike, my Ikemo,
Mom, what's wrong with the car?
I don't know. It just stopped. I don't even know what to do.
I think the enemies are at work. Maybe they know we are coming to cause trouble.
What should we do now?
Don't worry.
She is destined to bring and protect. She got the power that no
Mom,
other power
start the
can
car.
defeat.
Start the car.
Mwachinyerike, Ike sinelu. Nobody can take it away. Ike sinelu. Supernatural power. She can never ever be corrupt. Oh, Ikemo, Ikemo, I am looking for Ikemo, Ikemo, I am looking for Ikemo, Ikemo, I am looking for Ikemo, Ikemo.
There now. Greetings,
Mabel.
Greetings.
Yes, you are supposed to be here, but not today. Take your daughter and leave this compound.
We are not going to leave until she's completely free from your evil.
Don't talk to your uncle that way.
He has something to confess.
Shut up! Shut up! I said you should take her out of this compound. Take her out of this compound!
I know. I told you this is not going to end well. Let's go. What is it?
Every seed that is not planted in my mother's life by the Most High, I uproot it and send it back to the planter.
Hey! Please! Hey!
What's wrong with you? What's wrong?
Please, I will.
Confess!
I'll confess. I'll confess. Please, Mabel, it all started the day Francis brought you to our compound.
Francis.
Then number.
Hey, you're washing.
Yes.
Okay, please. I want you to help me wash this. Yes.
You saw the ones I washed 2 days ago.
Yes.
Okay. Then now, I wanted to tell you something.
What is it? Are you sure it's something good?
It's the news you've been longing to hear.
News.
But they go to each of you know this kind of news.
I don't know.
I have found the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Na we could be alone. Okay. Oh yeah, chobi heganate Nigerian. Chobi mpisi agro ya.
Manokod.
Manokod. Who is this fortunator? Who is this beautiful girl you are talking about?
Go down, don't be in a hurry. She'll be here first thing tomorrow morning. I've already told her that she'll be living with us in this compound. So tomorrow I'll bring her to...
tomorrow morning?
I'll
be waiting. Hey, where's Bumado?
Then I'm
from a good family.
You should know me now. You will like her. She's very beautiful.
You should be. Because okay, let me go inside.
You have to exercise a little patience. I've called Mama Zube to bring fish. So before she will be here, I'll be done with this clothes so that I'll make food for you.
As if you know I'm very hungry.
I know.
Hey, Francis.
Just hold that a little. It's coming. I know you will like it.
Oh.
Good day, sir.
Then now, this is Mabel, the lady I told you about that I want to get married to. Mabel,
Mabel, you're welcome.
Thank you.
And how are you?
I'm fine.
Good. You're fine. How long have you known my brother?
For 3 months now.
Oh, 3 months.
Yes.
That means it's not been quite long. It's all right. Once again, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Enjoy yourself, okay? I have something doing inside. Let me go and finish what I'm doing.
So fast. I thought you would have. Baby, are you okay?
Yes.
You know what? You have to come and sit here. Let me go inside and arrange something for you. Come. I'm coming, okay?
Mabel. Mabel. What is all this nonsense? Don't you know that Francis is my younger brother? And you're following him? What is all this nonsense?
I don't understand what you're saying, no. He's my man and I want to marry him.
So all this while that I've been proposing to you, you have been pushing me away because of Francis. You were avoiding me because of Francis. Because of that little boy. That small boy Francis, one tolato. You are following him.
Anything you want, you can call him. He's your brother. But I've made my intentions clear. It is Francis I want to marry. And that is all. I've made it clear from day one that I don't want you. I don't want to marry you. So I don't know why this is an issue.
Look, let me tell you something you don't know about Francis. You see that boy? That boy is going to, he's going to dump you. Yes, if you know that boy, he's going to dump you. After you, he's going to dump you. That boy, Francis, you see him going around this village, all these small girls, and you're not following him. Look, come back to me. I am going to take care of him, and Francis doesn't have money. Look.
Hey, see, anything you want, you can say. I am not interested in your lies and stories. I'm not interested. I've said it. I don't want you. It is him I want. I don't want you. Am I the only guy in this game?
This Francis. Hey, Francis, I wouldn't bro. Francis! Onwa this rich I know. Onwa! Francis, no, you see that girl? You cannot marry her. What? You can't bring that girl into this compound.
Then calm down first.
Hey!
What did she do? Only for me.
Look, Francis, I know that girl more than you. I know that girl like the back of my palms. That girl is a complete harlot. A shower, a complete harlot. I know so many men that have slept with her, giving her 10 kobo.
Wait, stop. What is all this now? Which one is it that you know her like the back of your palm, or you know men that have slept with her? If you know many men that have slept, you will go with her. Have you slept with her? Have you ever slept with her? What is even wrong with you? See, if you know many men that have slept with her, bring all those many men, bring all of them here in this compound. I will invite Mabel. Let them testify it before our eyes. Then I will believe what you're saying.
Francis, let me tell you, you have been unreasonable. Are you not telling me that I'm lying?
I did not say you are lying. But the truth is that I have made up my mind. There is no going back. Mabel is the woman I want to marry. She is my wife. If they like, let the entire community sleep with her. Even the neighboring villages. I don't care. I have made my choice.
Francis, that girl, you cannot marry that girl. Yes, you can't bring that girl. Oh, you're arguing with her.
I've married her already.
Oh, look, you can't marry her. Not in this house. You're not going to bring her into this house.
Then let me ask you, is she going to be sleeping in your room? Is it not my room?
This is Abu Diobala. I am the Diobala.
And this is our father's house.
Father's who is the first son?
Who is the first son? The first son.
Then the property belongs to me. You can't bring her into this house.
Property again. Then Nambiko, please don't get me angry. Don't get this thing twisted. You are even taking this thing too far.
Danje cannot enter this house.
Obviously, go back. Obviously, go back. I cannot bet you. But the truth is that I have married her already.
Not in this house. Not in this house.
It has happened already. What we hear, Maria? There's nothing we can do.
You're arguing with me.
I'm not arguing with you.
You're arguing with me.
Then Nam.
In Amamaka, Francis.
Then Nam. You have to prepare yourself because you are going to marry her. Yes, prepare yourself. We are going there. You are the father I know. So
I am not going there with you.
Egasigokuya then Nam. In fact, we are there already. Prepare yourself.
You are arguing with me. Francis. Hi. How did this guy get to convince this girl? How did he convince this girl? Hey! Francis! Francis! My bad. Look, I'm warning you. I want you to terminate any relationship you have with my brother. Any relationship you have with him, you have to terminate it. Terminate it. I don't want to see you with my brother again.
Whatever you call yourself. What is your problem? Is it because I have not reported it to your brother? Because I don't want you people to have conflict. That is why you have the effrontery to come to my house and start quarreling me. What is your problem? I have told you countless times, I don't love you. I cannot marry you. How many wives do you want to marry in this village? What is your problem? Because I'm keeping quiet. You think I'm a calm person? See, respect yourself. Oh.
Baby, you're shouting at me. You're shouting at me. Look, I've told you, I don't want to see you without my brother. Look, stay away from him. Stay away from my brother.
Don't come to my house again and talk to me anyhow. Leave my house. Leave my house. Oh,
are you pushing me out
Leave
of
my
your house?
house.
You are pushing me out of your
Leave
house.
my house.
Leave my house.
Leave my house.
Because of that small boy. Because of that small boy. Don't worry. Don't worry. So what draw?
No, stay here and be come and hold me. Let me not marry you. I should not marry him. I should come and marry you. I don't want to die like your other wives. I will not.
My bad.
Then now. I thank God for my successful traditional marriage. You know, I wasn't expecting the kind of crowd I saw here. People really turn up. And I also thank you, for the role you played, by organizing on Mudiobala and Omonna. I thank you so much. You really tried. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Then I understand you are not happy about my choice of wife. I know you don't like Mabel, but I want to assure you that Mabel is totally not who you think she is. She's a good girl. She's a kind of wife every man will want to have. And I'm comfortable with her. I love her like that. No matter whatever anybody may say, I'm okay with her. And in addition to that, I'm making plans on, going to the city by next weekend. There's this old friend of mine that got me a contract, So we've concluded and the job is okay. So by next weekend, I'll be going over to the city. Traditional, my white wedding.
So for Mabel, Biko, Butu, she's okay. You go. Then now.
I've had you. What's your problem? I'm a gente. I've had you.
Yeah? You have seen where we're managing. Precious.
Please make yourself comfortable.
This place is beautiful. Hey! Hey! Hey, whoa! Hey! Hey!
You can never choose.
Precious. How manage? Eh? In less than 2 years, you left the village. Eh? You are already swimming in wealth. Ego. Hey! All the way, bro. Tell me, what's the secret? I don't know.
Hard work. Eh? Hard work. You see, then God can actually bless anybody, you know. You remember the contract I told you about that my friend connected me to? When I get into this town, I went for it. You know, the contract was quite huge. You know me now, I can't see me. Continue hard work. Back to back to back. Hey, this is the result. I opened this place 2 months ago.
I'm happy. Hey, Manemo. Hey!
Omalecham. Asanwa.
My love.
No, I am happy with you.
Oh.
2 brothers.
Omalecha.
Ben Nazi. You're welcome.
Yes.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Hey.
Chidi, Mabel. Anybody here? You are pregnant.
Yes, sir.
Hey!
Daddy, me.
Hey! Hey!
Honey, how are you doing?
I'm good. If you
So, tell me, what am I going to make for you and your brother?
If I am to make choice for Denam,
yeah?
he usually like ofensala.
And I have that in my fridge. Yes. I will put plenty of meat for you. I'm jealous, and now your brother is here.
Omalecha. Omalecha.
Ndi mama. Then welcome. Hey, let me bring you food.
Denam. You see what I was telling you about Mabel? Mabel is the best wife I could have married. That was why I said, if I die here. Before God. See how beautiful she is.
Yes.
So before I forget, what do I get for you?
Odeko star.
It's alright. Let me quickly get some from the fridge for you. Make yourself comfortable. I will be with you.
Hi! It's amazing. It's all there. It's amazing all there. Hi.
Francis.
I sincerely want to still apologize, even though I've been apologizing for not coming around all these years. You know, since my wife put to bed, it's never been easy. It's been from here to there and all of that. I've never had time for myself. But on a second thought, I give it a thought, and I see it's very necessary to come and see you. That's why I had to make our chance to, rush down to the village just to see you. I am really very sorry.
Francis, 7 years, not 7 days. That was the last time you stepped your foot in this compound, in the entire village. And I am sure your daughter does not know she has an uncle.
Then you're not far from the truth. She knows she has an uncle, but she's not seen you before. But I promise you, in no distant time, you're going to meet Mandy. She's a sweet girl, you like her. She's of course a blessing to my family.
Okay. I'll be waiting. Maybe in the next 7 years again.
No. you can never change. I just promised you it won't get up to that far. Like in no time from here.
Exactly.
You see, and then I really need to go back to the city because I have things to take care of. But meanwhile, you just have to manage this. Use it to get something for yourself. Yeah?
This for me.
Just manage it.
Exactly.
And I promise you, before the week runs out, I will send you more money so that if there's anything you want to maybe buy or change your stuff like that, you can.
It's alright. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'll be waiting.
It's alright.
I hope I won't wait for another 7 years.
But then you cannot wait.
It's alright. Okay.
I'm gonna come. Let me rush.
Okay. Bye bye.
Have a good day.
Chie wela bani jie. Hey. Ozugbo oge na mama. Okposi kwuchi n'anya Francis. Ulwe Francis. After taking my woman away from me, you came back and gave me money. You want to silence me? Mbano, I will speak up. Francis, I've been looking for something to connect you. Now you are giving me your sweat, your money. Francis, I'll use this money to connect you. Yes, after dealing with you, your life will become miserable, Francis. And my Mabel will come back to me. Francis, Nganaini, until you become miserable in life. Until you become miserable in life, Francis. And Mabel mo. Mabel mo. Yeah. Hey, baby. What do you know, man? Well, off his way.
Francis ina mama kisi na gini neme no kuku na beloju neme mo. Kuna mo na etu zo ndinga. Oke ibo ni neme keku na emeke na mege na mesikebu. Egwu abulu eyi. Francis. Yes. After today, there will be chaos and tribulation in your household. And Mabel will come back to me. Ofo, Ije! Opwa! Ezu! Ezu! Poije! Ezu! Poije! Ezu! Poije!
Mother, please.
You are evil.
Please, yeah. Please. See, what I heard, whatever is happening to you was caused by me. I wanted to destroy your family so that you can come back to me, Mother. Please forgive me. Forgive me.
So you made me kill my husband. Your own brother. You made me kill him. Just because of your selfish interests. You will rot in hell. God will punish you.
It's unfortunate you end this way. Let the evil you do live with you.
No matter how you try, you cannot run away from karma. I say no matter how you try, you cannot run away from karma. Come on, it's coming for you. You got nowhere to hide. Save my soul, heal my heart, take me with you. It's hard.
Oh, I'm set for school.
Okay. I am sorry. I am sorry for being the reason your happiness was taken away. Knowing how much you love your dad. I am sorry I am the reason that he's no more.
Mom, don't say that. It's not your fault. You didn't do it. You were only manipulated by an evil. You're not a murderer. And I'm sure that is not upset with you.
You think so?
I'm sure anywhere he is, he's happy. Because you're free. Free forever.
I just hope so. I miss him. I miss your dad so much.
Mom, don't cry.
Who are you waving at?
Dad.
Your dad is here?
I told you he's not upset with you.
Where is he?
He has always been here, rooting for us. I told you he's not upset with you. But don't worry. Devil has no control over you ever again. You are free by the blood of the Lamb.
Thank you, my little Redeemer. Come in.
Evils are falling, kingdoms are falling. Evils are falling, kingdoms are falling. Evils are falling, kingdoms are falling. Evils are falling, kingdoms are falling.